So you think you want to build an online business. Yeah, it sounds pretty sweet. Making money online, right from home, being able to quit your job, having time and financial freedom. But here's the thing, I'm going to tell you straight out. I've met countless people who should have never ever tried to start an online business and would have been much better off if they had gone a different route right from the start. Hey, it's Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com, and I'm going to give you some straight talk today and share with you what it's like to actually build a real online business and give you some guidelines and some questions that you need to honestly ask yourself before deciding if you should pursue an online business or if something else would be a better fit for you. Because if you don't, you're going to regret it. Plus, there's a lot of other options. You don't just have to start a business to make money online. These days, there's tons of different ways to make money online, many of which you probably never considered. So I'm going to lay out for you what you need to ask yourself, and then I'll point you in the right direction based on what your honest answers are. So first off, you gotta really ask yourself, why do you want to build an online business? Get real. Why are you even looking in this avenue? What do you want to do? What do you want to accomplish? Why do you want to do it? Now, for a lot of people that I've talked to in the past, they've said they've started an online business, but they really only wanted to make $1,000 or less per month. If this is you, you definitely do not want to start an online business. Any kind of business in any way is going to take way too much work to justify just $1,000 a month. And a business takes time to make that kind of money. You'd have to put in way too much time up front before you start seeing that money. And what would instead make a lot more sense is to find an online job, an actual online job or freelance work online that you could make good money on, and it's guaranteed money. So many people that I've talked to, they only want to make $1,000 or whatever a month, not a lot. And they think that starting a new home business or online business is the way to go to do it, but they want to make money right now. Okay, that's not the best way. You should not start a business if that's where you are right now. Instead, you should look for an online job or some freelance work that you can do so you can get money coming in and you can start earning online from home. Especially when it comes to freelance work, you can really make like up to $5,000 a month. So if you're looking anywhere from $0 to $5,000 a month is what you want to accomplish with your online business, you should really look a different route. You should really look at something like Fiverr.com, Upworks, or online jobs. And I'll put up some options up here in this info card. I have several videos that are going to share with you different online jobs or freelance gigs that you can do to make good money online. But here's the thing. A home business, an online business, it has zero guarantee that you're going to make any money, but it also has no income cap. So you can make millions with it, but there's also no guarantee. You might not make anything. And if you only need to make a small amount per month, no problem. Probably an online job or doing freelance work is a better choice for you. Now, when it comes to online jobs and even freelance work, there is an income cap. You're not going to be crazy rich doing it because you're still trading your hours for dollars. However, it's guaranteed money, which is much nicer for most people who think they want to start an online business. If you want guaranteed money, you want money coming in, take a closer look at an online job or doing freelance work instead of trying to start an online business. The second question that you really got to ask yourself are you willing to put in the work upfront, a lot of work upfront, before you ever see any money, knowing that you're going to get paid later? If you're okay with delayed gratification, you know that you're going to hustle it out, you're going to work really hard for a while, and eventually it's going to pay you, then you're fine. But most people are not okay with that. I've talked to thousands and thousands of people on the phone, all looking to start or build businesses online. And I will tell you the vast majority of them say they need to make money right away. Well, if that's you, you shouldn't start a business. Businesses do not turn profits right away. That takes time. It takes hustle and grind on the front end before that stuff ends up happening later. If you need to make money right away, again, online jobs, freelance work, that's what you want to look for instead. You can make great money online and it's actually guaranteed versus an online job where it's going to be delayed, and that just might not be what you need right now. Now, this third question is, are you willing to actually invest in your business? Treat it like an actual business. I've also met many people that say they want an online business, but they aren't going to put any money into it. Okay. You don't want an online business, you want an online job or maybe some freelance work that you can do and make money online. A business takes investment. It takes investment of your time and it's going to take investment of your money. There are core tools that you need to successfully build an online business that do cost money. So if you're not willing to put money out into your business, then you can't have a business. Businesses take investment. So if you're not willing to do that, you should be looking for an online job or looking at freelance work instead. Now, based on my experience working with lots of people who are looking to start online businesses, these 3 questions are going to eliminate a vast majority of folks watching this video right now, that maybe an online job or freelance work is probably a better fit for you. You're going to get your goals, you're going to get what you need faster, it's going to be a much, much better fit for your situation. But for those of you still remaining that passed those first 3 questions, let's talk about the reasons why you would want to pursue an online business. Number 1, time freedom. You can finally stop trading hours for dollars. When you have a real online business, you're not trading your time for money. Instead, you're building a business that's going to bring you money 24/7. So time freedom is a big reason and a big plus of having an online business if you build it the right way. The second reason is unlimited income. There's no ceiling, no cap on how much you can make like there is on an online job. You can make as much money as based on how hard you work and how much you put into it. You can create millions and millions of dollars through your online business. So if that's something that you want, if you want big money, if you want total financial freedom, then an online business is a better option. Number 3, if you want to create walk-away income, where you could sell a business or sell some assets and be set for life and never have to do anything again, that's great. An online business can do that for you if you choose the right ones and the right strategies. Obviously, online jobs, freelance work won't. They're just a way to make money on the computer. Reason number 4, personal growth. The amount of growth that you have to go through to be a real successful entrepreneur is massive. You're going to completely change as a person from when you start on this journey to where you get to where you want to be. You're going to become a different person, hopefully a better person, someone who's more disciplined, more focused, and has a better grasp on everything around them. If you want to blossom and see the most successful person that you can personally become, then business is a great way to do that so that you can reach your full potential. And number 5, this is close to my heart because I feel it for myself. Maybe you work too hard to work for someone else. After the last job that I had, I finally admitted to myself, I work too hard to work for anybody else. I do. I pour my heart and soul into my work, and if I'm working for a job, I totally burn out. I'm not paid enough, it's too many hours, and there's no money. You don't typically make a lot more money for doing that hard of work and to really pouring your soul into something. When it's your own baby, when it's your own business, you actually get rewarded for that. You want to work hard? Awesome. It's your business. You'll be rewarded for working hard. So personally, I get this one myself. You just work too hard to work for someone else. Now, if you are one of the few that are willing to put in the work to get delayed gratification, to fully blossom and to reach your full potential, and you want to build an online business, make sure that you click the link at the top of the description to get our #1 training program to help you do that. Now, please know that we are rooting for you. We are here to help you create the time freedom that you and your family deserve. So if you're new to the channel, you're gonna have to subscribe so that we can help you do that. Then make sure to say hi so we can welcome you to the community. Again, this is Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com. Head over to this next video up here, and I'll see you soon.